Nagawalebu, Madam MC, and the Acting Commissioner for Online Safety, Ms. Mary Matfanga, for those words of introduction, and Jan Ravinaka, and good morning to everybody. Attorney General and Minister for Justice, the Honorable Siromi Turanga, Acting Assistant Police Commissioner of Police, Chief Executive Officer of the Consumer Council of Fiji, Seema Shandil, I'm not sure whether she's here or not, Acting Commissioner of Online Safety, of the Online Safety Commission, Mary Motfanga, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. I wish everyone a happy, safer Internet Day, or SID, or SID. As fittingly said, the world is a small place. With the advancement of the Internet, this maxim has become more of a reality. Over the years, SID has become a landmark event on the online safety calendar. And this year is extra special as it celebrates the 20th edition of this International Day. As parents, carers, educators, decision makers, we need to use this avenue to reach out to young people about creating a better internet. Young people are spending a lot more free time and they can be exposed to online risks. So it is all important for us to make them aware of the risks and provide them with the tools they can use as a safeguard, without overshadowing the importance of the internet and the positive experiences and the opportunities it offers. As a young person, you can become an advocate for SID on social media by sharing your experience of the digital environment and your aspirations for a better internet. You can also be the change you want to see in the online world by being kind and respectful to others online, by protecting your online reputation and that of others, and seeking positive opportunities to create, engage, and share online. As a parent or guardian, you also play an important role in empowering and supporting children and young children to use digital technologies responsibly. Talk to your children and educate them to use digital technologies safely and positively, or acting as digital role models. Teachers and educators also have a role to play by equipping their students with digital literacy skills and by developing their critical thinking skills, which empower young people to better navigate through the online world. Above all, everyone has a role to play. The Online Safety Commission was established under the Online Safety Act of 2018 to promote online safety and to deter harmful electronic communication. The OSC provides Fijians with a space to resolve concerns with respect to online abuse, such as online bullying, internet trolling, or image-based abuse. Approximately 2,800 complaints have been lodged with the OSC, and in 2022, the highest percentage of reports received were 27.16% for defamatory comments, mostly on Facebook, 43.26% with other types of issues such as harassment, hacking of social media accounts, online scams, family matters, and business matters and related matters. Young people, about 21% of young people reported to the OSC, and that's the age of 19 to 25. The OSC provides online safety education and awareness, raising to Fijian communities and especially parents, schools, and law enforcement. To date, A total of 1,000 pamphlets and about 37,871 booklets on online safety have been distributed in schools and communities in the 3 different languages: English, Fiji Hindi or Hindi, and Itaukei. The materials provide guidance to parents on keeping children safe online and online safety for the early years, and information on internet security, different forms of online bullying, and image-based abuse. The shift to online space has presented certain challenges, and we have seen emerging and evolving threats which are transboundary. For instance, when the complainant is in Australia while the account holder or alleged perpetrator is in Fiji. To help address this, the AOSC, together with the Australia's E-Safety Commissioner, Ofcom in the UK, with the support of the Broadcasting Authority of Ireland, launched the Global Online Safety Regulators Network last year. The network is a collaboration between the first movers in online safety regulation and offers a great opportunity for members to share information and discuss and address challenges. Today, the internet has become a necessity in our daily lives, suitably making our life easy, fast, and simple. The internet has brought the world together, helping us with facts and figures, information for personal, social, and economic development. It is hard to look past technological advancements happening in the world, and one of the major attributes of the technological advancement has been the internet. Today, the internet is easily available to many individuals and is rapidly changing the way we work, travel, educate, and entertain. Whilst the internet facility has many advantages and has proved to be a milestone in the technical advancement of our societal life or way of life, it also provides entertainment for its users. And I'm sure almost everyone here today has at least a Facebook account or an Instagram account, shares TikTok videos, and enjoys watching a series or two on the ever so popular Netflix. I can keep going about the internet and how it has changed how we communicate with each other, the way we learn about the world, and the way we conduct business. But the truth is, there are no secrets on the internet. And it is really for us parents, teachers, and the society to accept. So a point of discussion today has focused on life on the internet. It's so important and relevant because almost every family now owns more than one computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, or television. All of these are supposed to make our lives easier. But although originally created to serve us responsibly, digital devices have revealed their harmful impact on our lives. And when misused, technology can expose us to a number of risks, and our young population are especially vulnerable to these risks. With a huge number of people using the internet, it is no surprise that cybercrime is also abundant. And I note the presence of the cybercrime unit from the police here today, so it's good that they're involved in this exercise. Today it is easier, more than ever, to find someone's personal information online. The borders of privacy have been blurred significantly through the use of social media, tracking cookies, and opaque privacy laws and policies. With a few clicks, it is not hard to find someone's Facebook page, for example, and then depending on their settings, get access to their pictures, whereabouts, contact information, and so much more. Information can be obtained in this way, can be used by hackers for a wide range of schemes and scams, leaving internet users vulnerable to phishing, hacking, and virus attacks. As a parent myself, I've always valued the importance of teaching responsible and conscious behavior. We must always talk to our children about the privacy in cyberspace and the potential risks and dangers. Even if it means going over specific areas to discuss how to face all these challenges online, we assume leading roles as parents. Simple internet safety rules such as keeping personal information professional and limited, keeping privacy settings on, practicing safe browsing, choosing strong passwords, being careful with what you post and who you meet online can help users avoid getting into trouble, both online and offline. And these are words of advice for not only our children, but for anyone using the internet. Last but not the least, finding alternatives to technology. We can encourage our children actually to read books, to get involved in a hobby or sport, because it's never too late to bring positive changes to our children's lives to avoid the negative impacts of technology. This is so true. Sometimes you go to restaurants and you see families, all of them are on their phones for a family dinner. We also need to collectively address the dangers of misinformation, malinformation, and disinformation. Information circulated must be based on facts and taking into account the correct context. That is why it is important that we look to trusted sources of information, like the Fiji government social media pages, and look for verified tick sites with social media on various social media handles. We also see an increase in the reports on online scams. Just over the weekend, I came across an article about an online scam which promises large sums of money if one provides their number and their personal information. Please do not be bested by these online scams and refrain from sharing your personal information or one-time passwords for money transfers apps such as M-Pesa or MyCash. Your well-earned money can be lost in a matter of seconds. I look forward to receiving the outcomes of your deliberations today in finding practical solutions together for a better internet. With those few words, I wish you well for a happy and safer Internet Day once again. And thank you for your attention. Naka.